When you run into the VLC is unable to open MRL file error on Windows 11, there are a couple of quick fixes you can try. First, let us attempt to run VLC as an administrator. Go to your Windows search bar and type VLC. Once VLC appears in the search results, click on the small down arrow next to it. From the options, select Run as Administrator. If this resolves the issue, you are all set. However, if running as administrator does not fix the problem, the next best step is to completely reinstall VLC. Again, use the Windows search bar and type VLC. Click on the down arrow next to the VLC application in the search results, and then choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to uninstall VLC from your system. Once the uninstallation is complete, click on Finish, and then close any open VLC windows. After uninstalling, we will reinstall VLC through the Microsoft Store for a clean installation. Search for Store in the Windows search bar, and open the Microsoft Store. Inside the Microsoft Store, use the search bar to look for VLC. Once you find VLC, select it, and click on the Install button. This process might take a little while, so feel free to minimize the Microsoft Store and continue with your other tasks while it downloads and installs. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.